So one thing in particular that a lot of people are interested in, and a thing that I didn't discuss at all during this entirety of the course, not even on planning stage or recording stage or editing stage, it is a promotional video. Udemy is saying that students who watch well-made promo video are 5x more likely to enroll in the course, and they've seen this number to go as high as 10x. Why wouldn't anybody not create a promotional video? The thing is that promotional video is not necessary for your course. And let me explain what do I mean by that. So when people are actually going to one of your landing pages, for example, this one, I'm going to delete the dark mode and just show it in a light mode. They are going to see something like that. They go to this landing page, and what they see is they see the preview, the course button right here. As you can see, this is the second course right here, and these buttons are exactly the same. There is nothing different between those two. Do you know what's the difference between them? One does have the promotional video, other one does not. And can you guess which one does? Well, until you will turn it on, you will not realize and you will understand, you won't understand which one does have promotional video. But even if I will turn it on, I'm gonna press this one and you will see this just video starts and things like that. And yeah, it goes to the video. Then you're gonna go to another one, you're gonna press, well, the same video starts, and well, there is no different, right? You see free sample videos, there's like first video right here, and you see free sample videos, then you see first video right here. You see, the problem with just creating a separate promotional video is that you are just creating additional introduction to your video. Your introduction is always free video, or you can actually create any other video as a free sample, but usually introductions are the best free sample videos that you can create. And it doesn't really matter whether you do have promotional video or not. Your introduction is still free, and your introduction explains exactly the same things that your promotional videos do. So what you are doing instead, you're not creating promotional videos at all, and you are putting all your effort in creating your introductory video in a way that would be exactly as a promotional. In order to do that, you need to understand what is the goal of the promotional video. Well, goal of the promotional video is to give your future student, or rather the landing page visitor, the people, individual that actually visits this page, you want to give them a taste of what this course is all about and what they will actually get while learning from this course. So basically, you're giving them a taste of the course. So in order for them to get a taste, they need to, well, watch one of your videos, right? And when they watch the video, doesn't matter whether it's called a promotional video or introductory video. You're basically explaining what this course is all about, what they will learn, and just show them tips, etc., etc. Basically what will be coming in the future. And with the introduction video, you're doing exactly the same thing. So you actually don't need to create a promotional video. All you need to do is to focus on your regular introduction video, basically introduce your video and have a bit more higher production value, the same way that I had with my videos. I do not have any different production value for my introduction video. Maybe it's a bit more edited than any other videos, but it's basically the same thing. And you can do exactly the same thing. Go and create your introduction video, make it well edited, and use this as your promo video. You really don't need that. In the past, actually, with the Udemy, as far as I remember, I'm not sure if this is exactly true or not. In the past, if you didn't have a promo video, you didn't have this play button right here. It would be only a banner and nothing else. But now, your introduction video is used as a promotional video. So, well, you basically don't need to create a promotional. So that's basically all about this lecture. Don't create a promotional video. Focus on introduction video because you are making it free anyways, and use it as your promotional video. This will be it for this lecture, and let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna see you there.